right, go for 6.
For $100, I'll.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
And have yourself a merry little Christmas.
Happy Vlogmas Day 15. We made it 15 days strong. 2 month loving weeks of consistency, okay? Even though I've been a little inconsistent, but for the most part, y'all, 2 weeks. So the first place that I'm about to go to is, I'm gonna go to the beauty supply store, and then I'm gonna get something to eat. We're gonna go to Pollo. And I may go to Starbucks. I'm in the mood for some coffee. I'm always in the mood for coffee. I love coffee. But I want that. So I don't know if I'm gonna make it to Starbucks. By the time I go to the beauty supply store and Pollo, I'm gonna be exhausted. Well, I'm already exhausted, but yeah. So I spent my morning just working on wigs, but I didn't work out today, y'all. I ain't work out, but I'm gonna definitely go working out tomorrow. The goal is 3 to 4 times a week for me to get back into it, and then I'll move up, you know, the more I get consistent. So it's only Tuesday, so I still have a whole week ahead of me, but it'll be done before I know it. And then of course I'm gonna slowly incorporate healthy eating. Yeah, so that one is definitely gonna be a process as well. So yeah. All right, y'all, later. They don't have what I'm looking for, man. What happened to all the bleach? That's crazy. So I gotta go to another beauty supply? Or should I get the $25 one? $25? I think I'm gonna just get the $25 because I really don't feel like going nowhere else.
Yeah, no need to pretend. She got a little bit of drama with us. She got a little bit of drama with us. She got a little bit of drama with us. She got a little bit of drama with us. She got a little bit of drama with us. She got a little bit of drama with us. She got a little bit of drama with us, yeah. No need to pretend. She got a little bit of drama with us.
So I've been working on wigs. I'm watching my girl Ebony. And I just wanted to check in with you guys. I guess I'll pump y'all up so y'all can watch me work for a little bit. And I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'll probably incorporate this vlog with tomorrow's vlog because not so much happened. So yeah, no, finish working for the night. I'm probably gonna be up for a long time, but yeah, y'all. Happy Vlogmas Day 16, y'all. My hat looks weird. Let me fix my hat. Why my hat shaped like that? Anyways, we're about to go walking again, y'all. Another day, another workout. Walking / jogging. I jog for a little bit or whatever. But yeah, we're out here in the beautiful. I love it out here. So peaceful. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. I just love this scene, y'all. This is like my favorite. great exercise. Hey y'all, I finally look good. Like, finally look like something. We about to go to the gun range. Whew. We're also about to, well, I'm about to drop off this package, y'all. So I'm about to take this package, and yeah.
Yank it.
My hands are sweaty.
Well, wipe it. Wipe it on you.
Take a phone out.
Now pull that thing back.
Take a picture of it. All the way. You want these guys?
You gonna have to do this part for me.
Alright. Get that grip.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, finger off the knife. On thumbs higher.
No. Straight forward.
Hey, use your thumb to aim.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Why do you start off on top?
Alright, whenever you're ready.
Now you are straight on the target.
Wait, what number are you aiming for? Alright, go for 6.
Good. Excellent. Now there's 3 shots.
Push it in there more, like slap it.
So hold it with this hand.
Yeah. Bring it closer to you, like, and then, yeah.
Like that?
Yeah. I think it got it. It got it?
Yeah, I got it.
All right, whenever you're ready. All right, go aim for his vest. Go for a red shirt in the back, actually.
The trigger without yanking, and you'll hit the guy. I would actually like you to improve. I'm not trying to give you shit.
Y'all, that was fun. But it was, we'll talk later. Hey y'all, so we're on our way to Cold Stone. I know. I need this treat though. That's my favorite dessert ever though, y'all. Ice cream is like my thing. Like, I know. So yeah, we're on our way to Cold Stone. The gun range was fun, y'all. It was fun, but
Gun range?
yes, yeah, it was fun. But I'm not gonna lie, I was a little scared, y'all. I was like, what did I just get myself into? But it was really fun. I would definitely go back because I feel like the more you practice, the better you get. And I also do want, I'm not even gonna talk about my future plans, but anyways, y'all. So yeah, the gun range was fun. So I'm about to get this Cold Stone, y'all, and I'm not even gonna lie to you, I'm about to call it a night. I'm tired. I need some rest. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all when I get there.
Video?
We're close on y'all. My twin. I'm going home, bro.